Yeah, we're going to clean my room today. Yeah, this is my messy room. I played in this room until
What happened?
Oh.
What happened to the room?
I played all day.
And this looked like this. Well, some of the stuff I had to bring in here. I put clean clothes, she messed that up. But we're gonna clean up. We got our new mattress and
yeah, the new
welcome back to another video. So we are going
this is my neighbor.
Clean up her room. It's a hot mess. It was a lot going on these last couple of days. And mainly it's just stuff just everywhere. We're gonna put it together. I got our new mattress, we're gonna put that on. So let's get started. Again, welcome back to another clean and motivational video with me today. So today we're just going to be tackling Islah's bedroom. This is my daughter. She is currently 4 years old. She will be turning 5 in July, God willing. So what happened was I'm getting some parts of the house painted. So I just put a bunch of stuff in her room, and it was like bags of clean clothes, just stuff that I needed to just put in her room while I was getting my bedroom painted. Anywho, what we're doing right now is just picking up all the trash. And, you know, this room got really messy over 4 days. So it was one day of her making a mess, and then, yeah, it just got really messy. So we're just going to go ahead and clean it up.
Thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
So what I'm doing right now is clearing off all of the clean and dirty clothes that was on her bed, and then we're going to remove this old thin mattress from IKEA. And I did purchase a new IKEA twin mattress. It's a lot thicker, a little bit more softer for her. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
That has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling.
So what I'm doing right here is I am going through her closet, making sure that she can fit some of the jackets, getting rid of some clothes that's too small, because I'm going to go ahead and purchase her some new spring.
My lips feel on your body, paper moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So when I initially purchased this white cube that I purchased from IKEA, I wanted to buy the little containers that I'm putting together, like the little cube to go underneath it, but IKEA was out of them for months. So anyway, when I was in IKEA recently, I found them, so I decided to purchase them, and this way she can put a lot of knickknacks and different things in them, and it doesn't look so cluttered. Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and put that together.
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime for you and I. Carefree attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
So the mattress that I purchased from IKEA, I believe, was $179, and I didn't want to really purchase a really good quality mattress just yet, because I believe within the next, hopefully, couple of years that I will just upgrade her to a full-size bed. So I think once I do that, then I would invest in a better quality mattress. But I actually really like IKEA mattresses, and I think I have them for all of the children, and I think this is just good for right now. So at this point, I forgot to turn off the camera, and these two just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of show. So I just left this clip in. Enjoy.
Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way.
So we are almost at the end of the video. What I'm going to do is give it another quick vacuum to make sure I got all the crumbs up off the floor. This was just a quick cleanup of her room to get it organized so she's able to play and we're able to walk around and find clothes to wear for the week. Again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch our video, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope this gave you some cleaning motivation to get cleaning, get organized, and then we're about to go ahead and get into the clean reveal of the room. Again, thank you.
I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river.